Viewers, thanks for stopping by again. I have this vintage model. It's 220F. So when I put the mantle on, they give me a light that they call it a ghost flame light. My detection, it's maybe the problem is the generator. So I ordered online. They said that it's gonna fit here. There's some model 2 that fit that generator, but they said specifically they fit here. So put this one in the side first. I don't want to break that globe. Even this one. And I leave the top on so that it avoid to lost it. So now I waiting for delivery today, and after that I put it in. So let's see if I good result like normal. You can see this one is like dark because of like charcoal. Supposed to be this one is clean, and there's a lot of dark mark there for the smoke. So it means they get a lot of fluids. They never burn it. That's why it's like that. And there's like tons of residue there for the fuel gas. So it means this one is we need to replace. So let's hang on and wait for the parts, and after that put it on, and let's see if they give us a positive light when we try to put it on. Only size exactly that you need on this one is 7/16 wrench. It's gonna fit there. You can see perfectly fit, and you can just remove that one and wait for the parts. So I just get the generator. So compare side to side. So it's about 99% identical. So let's open it, and hopefully this one's fit. It's 100% the same. The only problem is the tip. This one is a little bit bigger, thicker. Maybe this one's already used. That's why it's getting small while you're using it. So let's put it in. First you need to do, put this cleaner lever up so that you can hook that one and then insert on this thing and start from there. So when you put it, make sure it's facing on this one. You can see, give you a close-up look. And drop it like this. Put this down, so make sure it's sit good there, right? And then turn this one freely. So this how it look like to the other side. When you turn this lever cleaner, it's turned freely. And after that, you need to use this wrench, 7/16 again. Turn it clockwise. So if it is tight, stop it. Because this one is very thin metal. So it's brittle. If it is still snug, stop it. As long that it's not gonna have a leak, don't. That's it. Now it's time to put these two mantles with a string. So number 21. So original Coleman. It's made in India. I don't know why it's made in India now. If you have a big hand, you can just pre-tie like this before you insert to the burner. So I'm positive it's already intact there, and do another tie. Now it's there. Repeat the process to the other side, same thing. So leave at least one port. Don't cut all the way there so just leave at least one port. And repeat the process on the other side. Now there. So I just gonna use this inflator to put some air, because I have the valve stem here. Put it here. And then put like this, like a bicycle. And now I'm in 30 and posted. So it's 30 stop, so they have 30 PSI inside the pump. Remove this one and put this one back. And after that, start to burn the mantles. And I'm gonna start this one outside. Just burn it here inside the house. So make it good burn. And the other side too. And after that, is that already brittle? Be careful to not to damage don't touch it. The other one is broken because I accidentally touched it. So now it's there. Everything is burned. Go outside and hopefully we have a good result. So let it cool and go outside. So to pre-check, let's see if this one heard some hissing. Put this one in on, one port open. So it's there. I can hear that. To avoid some stain of smoke to the glass, I just put it open first, and when it's fire, I put everything in. So here we go. Cross our finger. Put this one in a 3-port and then fire. So here you go. Finally, it's working. Now it's time to put the globe on and the ventilator. Now everything is in. Pretty setup. A very nice light now. Not like before they give us a ghost flame light. Now it's steady. And I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and have a wonderful day. Till my next one, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless United States.